for today's video, I will be trying out new makeup products. So these are new products to me, but they're not necessarily new in the market. So I just have my products right here in this basket. Some I've already opened and tried once or twice, but some are still unopened and I'm gonna try them with you. So if you want to see what look I come up with, just keep on watching. Let's start with primer. I'll be using this one. This is called the Ilana Mineral Cosmetics Blur Makeup Primer, and I've used this a couple of times and I actually really like it. I feel like it's very similar to the Professional, which is my favorite. I'm just putting this around my nose where I feel like my face is a bit rough. It will help smoothen it out. Also on my forehead and on my chin where I get more oily. I'm gonna be using this foundation. So this is called the Self-Coating Never Be the Same Liquid Foundation, and it looks like this. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use this, like Ray Hermar. So let's see if this matches my skin. I just put this much on the back of my hand and I'm using a damp sponge. I feel like the right way to do this is getting the product on your fingers and applying it on your face, but I forgot to do that. Okay, I guess this really matches my skin. I like it so far because it's not too heavy and it's light to medium coverage. And I like this pala kasi it's a squeezy bottle, so you won't have trouble getting a product. And I'm just gonna use my fingers this time and then put it on the parts I need it. So like that lang. And then on my forehead. Okay, so far I really like it. It's light coverage for me. I guess it's because I also used a sponge. Personally, I like the lighter coverage because I don't want it to be heavy and too cakey on my face when it comes to foundation. And normally I don't really wear foundation, but for me this one is more like a skin tint. I feel like you can build it up, but I'm not gonna do that because it's not really the type of makeup I look for. Now for concealer, I'm using the Self Beauty Glam Up Concealer. I've been using this for a while now. This is in the shade number 2. I'm gonna put it under my eyes and also on the parts where I have some redness because of my breakouts. Maybe on the bridge of my nose as well to kind of highlight it, and on my chin. For the concealer, like I said, it's not my favorite, but I feel like it still works well. I wish it had a bit more coverage because it could have covered up more of my under eye circles, and na-cover up naman ng konti yung redness nung breakouts ko, nung pimples ko, but I feel like it could have covered up more. I'm still gonna keep using this concealer because this is my only concealer right now. I already threw out my other concealers kasi naluma na. But to be honest, I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this kasi it didn't even wow me. Like, okay lang talaga siya. I didn't hate it as well. So yeah, it's just an okay product. So if I were to rate it out of 5 stars, I'd give it like a 2.5 stars kasi parang in the middle lang talaga siya. Okay, now let's go with the powder. I don't have any new powder, so I'm just gonna use my favorite one. This is the 1028 Hold It Ultra Oil Control Powder. Put that all over my face to set my foundation and my concealer. I'm just using a fluffy brush from Anklets brushes. I think I'm gonna do my eyes first, and I have 2 eyeshadows right here. I have an eyeshadow palette and like a jelly eyeshadow, and I got a purple one. Oh wait, I need my glasses for this. The struggle of having glasses. You can't find your glasses if you're not wearing it. It looks like that. It's really pretty. I guess I'm gonna use that, but I'm gonna put like a base color on my eyes first. I got a Teviant palette. This is called their Mademoiselle eyeshadow palette. And I got this on sale sa Shopee, sa Deviant store for like 50% off. So the colors look like this. Ang ganda. And I feel like it fits the vibe of the jelly shadow that I showed you. I think I'm gonna go basic and just try the brown one on my crease and then add the jelly shadow. Oh, this is really pigmented and parang madali lang siyang i-blend. I'm just gonna focus that on my outer corners. Okay, and then on the other side, this is really pigmented. I'm gonna get some more for the other eye. Tap excess. This is called the Moonshot Jelly Pot, and this is in the shade Moon Noir. Let's try it on our eyes. I'm gonna use my finger first, and then if it doesn't work well, I'm gonna go with like a brush. Ooh, this is thick. Oh my gosh. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, I can fix that. Okay, this looks really good. I like that so far. Can you see? Even if you don't put like a base color or like a crease color, it would look really nice. Again, a little goes a long way because it's a really thick cream product. I'm just bringing it in to my inner corners. What I'm gonna do is use a brush and see if it'll be better that way. I'm just gonna use the excess cap. I am a bit disappointed with this product. I'm trying my best not to look at the camera because every time I open my eyelids, nawawala yung product because I feel like it just sticks together. It really looks good, but it's hard to apply, and when you apply more, natatanggal lang yung product. I think after you apply this, you should close your eyes, wait for it to dry, maybe fan it to help it stick better, and then after nun, pwede nyo na open yung eyelids nyo because yung akin talaga, it became so messy and it looks so bad. I'm kind of disappointed. Maybe I need to practice a bit more. This is my first impressions. This is the first time I'm using this. Maybe I can give it a chance, but for now, it's not my favorite product. I'm gonna use C'est La Vie here on this side and put that on my inner corners. It's a really nice gold color. I feel like it really goes well with the purple eyeshadow we just put. Now for our eyeliner, Lucky Long Lasting Liquid Eyeliner, and I think I got the black one. Ooh, that's so black. Wait. For the eyeliner, I think I'm gonna rate it like a 3.5 out of 5 stars because I think I could have worked with it better, but I feel like the eyeshadow was interfering with it, but I don't know that for sure. But so far, okay naman yung pigment no eyeliner. It's just that I couldn't make it straight. I'm gonna try this eyeliner again with a simpler look, like yung no eyeshadow at all, or maybe like a powder shadow and then eyeliner over it. But so far so good. I'm gonna keep using the eyeliner and I'm gonna keep testing it out. I'm gonna update you if magustuhan ko ba siya. I feel like there's still better eyeliners out there, but I feel like this has potential. It's so hot today. I had this one video, I think it was my Shopee haul, wherein there was just sweat on my neck, and while I was editing it, I was like, I kept wiping myself because I felt like that was me at that moment, but it was just my video. I'm so upset. I wanted to refilm it, but to be honest, I filmed that video twice or 3 times already, and I just didn't want to film it again. So I'm so sorry about that video where I was so sweaty. It was just really hot. I'm gonna use this Morier hard formula style brow in natural brown. Normally I don't go for this kind of brow tip, but okay siya. I really like the pigment. Honestly, if you've seen my recent videos, this was the eyebrow pencil I've been using because tinitipid ko yung Benefit eyebrow pencil ko. So this is really good. I highly recommend this. I think I'd give this like a 4.5 out of 5 stars. And it already has a spoolie at the other side as usual. And then I'm just gonna set it with my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Like I said, Benefit is my favorite. And tinitipid ko sana to, but for a video, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Etude House Oh My Lash Black Tint Mascara. I'm just curling my lashes. My eyeliner, kumapit naman siya sa eyelash curler ko. For the mascara, I think I'm gonna rate it like a 5 out of 5 stars. I have been really loving this. The first time I tried it, I didn't like it. But I've been using this almost every time I wear makeup. No, not almost every time. Every time I wear makeup, ito yung mascara na sinusuot ko. Last time, 700 siya for 2 mascaras. So it's like 350 pesos lang. But I think it became cheaper. I'm gonna link it down below. It's really nice because it separates your lashes very well. Keeps your lashes curled. And it's just a really nice black mascara. And by the way, it's super long lasting. Ang hirap nito tanggalin. I have to use a cleansing balm to remove this mascara. Oh my gosh, parang fully nawala na yung purple eyeshadow sa eye na to. Let's go for bronzer. I don't have any new bronzers, so I'm just gonna use this Happy Skin one. This is the Glam Squad one. I'm just gonna use this. I feel like I should do like a summer makeup look because I don't wear this much makeup on a regular basis. And I still don't know if you're enjoying my makeup looks because recently I feel like my makeup videos have been having the least views. I feel like yung mga subscribers ko ngayon, hindi na sila mahilig sa makeup. And also, I don't think much people wear makeup anymore because we're all wearing masks. But for me, I love makeup pa rin. Doing my makeup is kind of therapeutic for me. Okay, and now for blush. I do have a new blush and highlight. I'm gonna be using this Vivid Cosmetics Cheek Flash blusher in the shade Rosy Voice. I feel like if you have oily skin, you won't like this blush kasi parang may sheen talaga siya, which makes your look shinier. That's really pigmented. I feel like I put too much and it doesn't go with my eyeshadow. But I really like this product. I'm just gonna put a bit on my nose and on my chin. Now for the highlight. This highlight is in the shade Diffuse Light. Okay, this is a really nice, smooth highlight. The color is very basic, but I guess they have also other shades. I guess it just depends on the shade because this is what I chose. So maybe I chose this kasi nga it's what I normally go for. But oh my gosh, I really like the color of it. I guess meron na din kasing sheen dun sa blush, and then just blending it together makes it look more glossy, or like it pops more. Okay, and then here. I actually have a lot of lip products to try out, but I'm gonna use this one first because this has been my go-to lip product lately. It's like a lip oil. This is called the Morpho. I forgot the product. It doesn't say on the bottle, but it's like a small business pa lang. If you have dry lips, this is the perfect product for you. It gives you like a nice pink color on your lips, and it doesn't dry your lips out. And then if you're wearing a mask, tapos tatanggalin mo, biglang may pink, hindi siya magta-transfer sa mask mo. This is my favorite right now. And it's just on a roll-on bottle. Really nice lip color. My camera is about to run out of battery, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. But I really like how this makeup look turned out. Except for the eye makeup, I'm really happy that I have glasses because it kind of covers it up. But overall, the face makeup looks good. The lips look good. And by the way, yung lip oil na gamit ko right now is this one. And it's only 180 pesos. And you get a lot for that price. Super nice on the lips. Feels good, and also it smells like bubblegum, so I highly recommend. I'm gonna link everything down below, all the makeup I use down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and by commenting down below if you have any other video requests, or I don't know, your thoughts about this video. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. I'm trying to post every Monday and Friday 5 p.m. and yeah, bye!